Hello, today I want to share a project about making your own multi-tool. Nowadays there's places where you can send drawings and they will laser cut for you or water jet. So I want to see if it's possible to make a kind of full customized multi-tool. For example, with the goat, people customize accessories. So you can see that it will be very easy to laser cut some sort of implement and have it very customized. What I wanted to see is, can we make the pliers part by stacking flat sections, and there are some pliers that are basically made by layers of thin metal layers, and then kind of they're bolted together or with rivets. So basically, first I did a paper model to test the concept, and it looked like yes, you could make some sort of pliers that operate, open and close, and then you'll have like a foldable thing to make it into a compact multi-tool. Something I'm now working on is how you do the locks. So probably gonna use some kind of bar with tabs that will push here against a little notch, kind of like this type of locks work, basically cross section there. So yeah, made also a crude metal version just to see the concept, and yeah, you get some pliers action. And then just for fun I added a couple accessories such as a 2D Phillips driver that surprisingly it kind of works. And then I have also a blade, so to speak, not particularly strong or anything, but it will cut paper. Probably should save this receipt. Anyway, this is kind of a fun project, and thinking maybe ordering some laser cut parts to test some of the other ideas. But just to share, let me know what you think. Are there any similar things going on? That's it for now. Thank you for watching.